Jatend migao mar somo Julius Migosi owacho ni sirkal dhi nyime gimanyo yore mag tieko ng'anyo mag jopuonj mbalariany ka ochwalo kwayo ne jogo mochung' ne mbalariany mondo omi jopuonjre penj mar giko higa ponono ni gin gi yie ni jopuonjre oyudo somo margi kaka dwarore higani. Kano wuoyo kinde mane otelo ne yawo penj maduong' mar KCSE log tich mar somo e kaunti ma Nyamira, Migosi olero ni sirkal manyo yore mag tieko ng'anyo ma kinde ka kinde, komedo wacho ni migao mare bende manyo yore mag tieko midhiero ma osekwako sikund mbalariany ma Moi.
In terms of the strikes that are going on, negotiations are going on with the unions, and we are hoping that we'll reach a possible solution very, very soon. Moi University is a case in point, and there's quite a number of challenges there, but we have put in place a program of ensuring that we have it in a sustainable mode. We've come up with a strategy to deal with the issues that are facing it, and we'll be updating you once those programs or those strategies are concretized. So I want to just say that in the education sector, we are doing everything that we can the sector and ensure that our children are able to study with certain hygiene into the education sector. It is not fair that students go to the university, for example, and stay for 9 years in the process of doing their degrees. That is very unfair, and so we are getting to the root of the challenges that the universities face, and we are going to be able to get long-term and lasting solutions to it. That is our pledge as a government, and we have decided to do everything possible to ensure that this issue of strikes is a thing of the past. So we'll be updating you very soon about the steps we are taking. I don't want to go into the details because we are still working on